How to add contacts on Viber. Got Viber but your contact list is looking a little lonely? Don't worry, today I will show you how to add friends on Viber in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, the easiest way, Viber automatically syncs with your phone's contact list. If your friend's number is saved on your phone and they use Viber, boom, they will instantly show up in your Viber contacts. Easy peasy. But what if you want to add someone new? Here is how. Open Viber and tap the Contacts tab at the bottom. Tap the Add Contact icon. That's the little person with the plus sign. Enter your friend's name and phone number. Tap Done. If your friend isn't on Viber yet, don't worry. You can still add their number and Viber will give you the option to invite them via SMS or link. That way they can join you on Viber in just a tap. Once they are added, just tap their name and start chatting, calling, or sending stickers right away. It's that simple. And that's it. You now know how to add contacts on Viber like a pro. Go ahead, add your friends, family, or even that new coworker and stay connected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.